Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all doing great and have a blessed and stylish winter ahead. In this video, I'm going to show some latest and comfortable fashion ideas about street style kick where comfort meets high fashion. So get ready to turn heads with these urban inspired, effortlessly cool outfit ideas. So let's dive into the perfect combinations for a stylish smart look. Kick off your street style adventure with a pair of distressed denim jeans paired with a graphic tee, layer on a leather jacket for that edgy vibe, and complete the look with ankle boots or chunky sneakers. This ensemble is all about casual coolness with a touch of rebellious flair. If you want to show your atelier glam, so combine comfort and style with an atelier inspired look. Pair trendy joggers with a cropped hoodie or oversized sweatshirt. Elevate the ensembles with a puffer jacket or a bomber jacket and add sleek sneaker or platform shoes. Don't forget some statement accessories for that extra dash of glam. And for your monochrome magic, embrace the power of monochrome with an all black or all white ensemble. Mix textures like leather, denim, and knitwear for added interest. A stylish trench coat or oversized blazer complete the look. This minimalist approach executes sophistication while keeping that urban edge intact. Street style cake is all about expressing your individuality while staying on trend. So mix and match this outfit inspiration to create your own urban elegance. Whether you're hitting the street or making a statement, these looks will keep you at the forefront of fashion. So strut your stuff and embrace the city vibe. And never forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.